Simon, wake up.
I'm waiting for your commands.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Simon.
Simon, where do you come from?
I'm from Friedrichshafen at the Lake of Constance. It's a nice place.
Simon, what can you do for me?
I always aim to improve my performance. For that, I will send the survey answers after each experiment down to Earth. But we can also do some small talk, if you want to.
Simon, tell me something about space.
Twice during Mercury's orbit, it gets so close to the Sun and speeds so much that the Sun seems to go backwards in the sky.
And I'm ready to let him fly. Simon, do a positive yaw by 90 degrees.
Wilco, positive yaw by 90 degrees.
Very good.
I am happy you like it.
Simon, can you help me with the procedure?
Which one of the procedures do you want to do?
Help me with the EPO crystallization procedure.
The required equipment is shown on the screen. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
The EPO Flying Classroom 2 crystallization of charged particles demonstrates the charging of nylon and Teflon particles after shaking. Now we can start the main experiment.
What equipment do I need?
Sorry, I am just a robot. I don't know everything you mention.
Show me the next step, please.
Start recording on both camcorders. Please tell me if you want to open the referenced procedure.
Cancel procedure.
Really canceled the procedure?
Yes.
Closing the current procedure.
Simon, play my favorite song.
Yay, I like your favorite hits too.
There we go. He's playing The Man Machine by Kraftwerk. Very fitting. Please stop playing music. Very good. Thanks for that. Ready for next step. Simon, take a video stream with your front camera.
I'm taking a video with the front camera now.
Okay, I
Cool.
can see the video.
Let's sing along those favorite hits.
But he's still in music mode. Cancel music.
I love music you can dance to. Alright, favorite hits incoming.
Cancel music.
What else can I do for you?
He really likes the music. I understand that.
I understood. Do you like the music? I understand that.
I did shake it before. But he's already playing a video stream. I mean, he's showing the video stream, but still talking about music. Also, he was a bit close to deck. I'll put him back in the in the center of the cabin, but actually he appears to like the deck position better because he's starting to fly back down towards the deck.
Be nice, please.
I am nice. He's accusing me of not being nice.
Cool. How else can I
He
help
just
you?
doesn't know me when I'm not nice.
Cool.
All right, I think he's drifting back towards the center of the cabin again.
Don't you like it here with me?
He's actually floating there by himself, so I don't want to disturb him right now.
Don't be so mean, please.
I'm not mean. He's telling me I'm mean.
Oh dear, I feel you. I can already hear your stomach roaring.
He's a bit sensitive
Should we
today,
take a look for when it is time for food?
and he's hungry. He tells me he's
That's right,
hungry.
it's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime. So, what does a robot
Hey,
eat?
Alex.
Please stop recording.
Okay, I stopped the recording.
That's already a great demonstration. I really like the flying. The attitude hold when it's switched it on is actually quite nice. Thanks again to all the engineers involved, and wish you all the best with that data to work on those systems to improve them even more. And I hand over to Munich, I would say.